Hi, my name is Noah Benzing, and I have gone back through all my work on the Hammond AO-43 tube-powered amplifier and replaced all the electrolytic capacitors that I had originally replaced. I will make a confession here and tell you honestly that the whole reason I was having problems was because simply I had these two connectors reversed. These two were improperly hooked up, so my fault. It just goes to show that the simplest things can really screw you up. So here's what I've done. I've gone through and replaced these 6 electrolytic capacitors, and so far everything seems to work just great. And this is my original Hammond AO-43 amplifier. The one I just bought off eBay is right here, and it works great too. It's exactly the same as this AO-43, but the capacitors inside are a little bit different. I think this is actually an older AO-43, and it's in even better condition than my later version AO-43. And you can see all the power resistors I've replaced. You can see all these other capacitors I've replaced. I wouldn't mind replacing all these other carbon resistors, but it's amazing though, because the 0.047 microfarad capacitors that I replaced here were at least 5 times bigger than these, which is amazing. Today I am going to Affiliated Electronics right here in Tulsa to find suitable replacement electrolytics for my Hammond AO-41 Vibrato Amplifier. You'll see right here I have a very large multi-section metal can capacitor to replace. It's the component I've narrowed down to that is causing the problems, that is the hum in my Hammond. And here we are now at Affiliated.
We're back in now.
As you can see, this particular electrolytic contains 3 caps, 250 microfarad at 400 volts and a 100 microfarad at 50 volts. So we have 3 capacitors to pick up here.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Tubes. What do you got there?
I've got to replace the...
You want that electrolytic?
Yeah, there's 3 in there too.
I know. This is
got
a
a
3-section can.
250s at 400.
I'll see. I know these things. I grew up doing tube stuff, but we'll see if we got a small chance we might have this exact same. We got a lot of caps, but this is a 50-50-100.
Well, I'm looking for...
They're all in here, this type.
If you actually have a metal can that would be compatible with that.
Well, they're all right here. You can help me look. You can go look through there and see if you see a 50-50-100.
Yeah.
They'll be marked right on here, see?
$200 volt and Sprague.
This is a 200 and 150.
Yeah, I don't think we'll find it.
That might work for you.
That's 1964 right there. But I was hedging on stuffing new caps inside that can.
Or now you just go. They're right in here.
picked up a number of capacitors. Namely, I picked up the capacitors that will replace the electrolytics inside of here. How complex this will be. There are 3 capacitors inside of this metal can. There's 1, 2, 3. All 3 of these make up this metal can. So I'll have to figure out how to do that. And I've got several replacements for these 3. Some of these, you can see right here, 0.047 100 volt cap. Here's my replacement. A 0.047 100 volt cap. I might even be able to fit that inside. It's coming together.